Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I'm going home now. Yeah, I finished at 3 o'clock because we are busy. There are so many things to do and we cannot just leave the kitchen. Yeah, with with a lot of things to do for the night shift. And actually there are people waiting for me. Yeah, the family of Joseph. Yeah, his mom, his dad, and siblings, and the niece and nephew. Yeah, they are actually waited for me for 1 hour because I am supposed to be finished by 2, but end up finished 3 o'clock. And we had a very long conversation about this place, Nelson Bay. Maybe 15-20 minutes of conversation about life here in Australia. Yeah, this is the one that they gave me. So basically this siopaw and different kinds of tuna and corned beef, Filipino products, and sky flakes. Okay, I'm hungry now. And just now I realized that this is also tuna. Yeah, I'm going to eat now. And this is how it is. And before, when I was in the Philippines, this is the usual one. Century tuna, flakes in oil. And I'm just going to reheat it here. Also, I'm going to toast it with some of this bok choy. I put some soy sauce on the bok choy. Yeah, this is spicy. Very spicy. Very hot. But it's okay. Tastes good. Yo, good morning, guys. It is already 12:30, and today is good day because the weather outside is really good. Yeah, but actually when I check the forecast, there will be a rain maybe tonight. And look at those flowers, beautiful. I'm wearing this hat, this cap. That is because I noticed this is dirty actually. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, this is my favorite cup. Basically, dry sweat. No good. No smell, but yeah, doesn't really good. That's why I'm going to wash it together with the other cup that I have. Like this, like this. This one is coming from Ronald. There's still the tag. And this one is coming from Ate Au, the wife of Kuya Ruel. This one is, if I'm not mistaken, this is coming from Roy and Cassie. Together the one that I showed you a while ago. And this is going to be the first time I'm going to wash it. I remember last time I have my favorite cup. I washed it in the washing machine, and then after that it was broken because this one is actually cartoons, not a plastic, so broken. No good. That's why I'm washing this by hand. Oh, last night I ate one of this siopaw and it was delicious. And now I'm going to have one. I'm going to eat it in the pork. It is hot here in the car. Yeah, even outside the temperature is like summertime. And I think my roster today is a mistake. Yeah, so basically I am night shift today. And then tomorrow I am breakfast. So I will be finished by 10 tonight. And then working at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. I'll be doing breakfast. Usually this is not allowed, or You know, according to the law, it's not supposed to be like this, but I think the chef didn't notice that roster. Normally, if I am working breakfast the next day, yeah, my roster usually is up 12 to 8 o'clock. But maybe he didn't notice, but it's okay. This first time. Another thing is I will be alone working tonight from 9 o'clock. The two guys that I am with will be leaving by 9 o'clock. So I will be the one to clean the kitchen. It is already 3:40 and I just came home, and when I get outside I saw this. Yeah, basically I already bought a roof rack, and we are going to install that later when the sun is not very hot. Outside is very hot today, sunny, and the temperature actually is this over 25. And you know, this is not heavy. Oh, it looks big. This is how it is. Oh, it comes with manual. Also comes with Allen key and a key. So this is how it is. And this is removable if I'm not mistaken. And this is where you lock it. Yeah, this is how it is. Oh, this is not plastic, this is a metal. And it says maximum load for roof rack is 75 kilograms. And I'm actually hungry. This is what I'm going to eat. The show power. Just one, because the other one I will eat it tonight. Good morning, guys. Yeah, it is now already 7:25 and it's still messy here. Yeah, and it's still here the roof rack. I didn't able to install it yesterday because I fall asleep. Yeah, and then when I wake up, it's already 6:30 and a little bit dark outside. And it can be installed using just this Allen key and key. Yeah, this is the only thing that comes with it. I don't know if there's something else. Yeah, no more. And not even a rubber to protect the paint of the Jimny. I think this one is good. This similar to that one. And to that one. To that one. Also the one here. Take this off first, this metal clamp. And then there is another screw here that need to turn clockwise, 10 turns. You have to adjust the, you have to pull it out a little bit. After turning it clockwise, push it, and then you can adjust it as like this. Okay, I'm going to put it now in the rope. I think it is right now, equal to the other side. I'm happy with this, so I'm going to tighten it now. And now it's time to put this metal clamp, and as you can see, it is going to touch the paint of the car, and this need to put the screw. This is where I feel I need to put this to protect the paint of my car. It is now almost 10 o'clock and I just finished installing the roof rack. Yeah, I will show it to you later. And yeah, there is a guy working on the landscape of the front yard, and he found the sweet potato. Yeah, sweet potato. It's actually rotting already. I think inside is still good. And I'm going to clean my bed. Just now I noticed that this is actually a two bed. Yeah, this one is a little bit harder. This is like the base bed.